This learning target is about the law of conservation of mass. Matter is neither created nor destroyed, it just changes form. So in a chemical reaction, the reactants must equal the products. If they do not, then there has been an error. When we look at this first reaction over here on the left, sodium is combined with chlorine to produce sodium chloride. Now, the reactants here, we see there is one sodium and one chlorine. When we look on the product side, on the right, we see that there's also one sodium and one chlorine. Therefore, the law of conservation of mass is illustrated in this reaction. Now, when we come over to this sample reaction over here on the right, we have CH4 plus O2 yields CO2 plus H2O. On the reactant side, here, we have one carbon, 4 hydrogens, because there is a 4 subscript that goes with the hydrogen, and 2 oxygens, and that is listed here on the reactant side. On the product side, we also have 1 carbon, but for the hydrogens, there are only 2 hydrogens. And for the oxygens, there's 2 here and 1 over here, so when we combine those, we get 3. You can see that the hydrogens do not balance and the oxygens do not balance. Therefore, this reaction is incorrect and does not follow the law of conservation of mass. I would like for you to try some example problems. So come to my desk and get some sample problems before you take the retest.